experimental vehicles all day long.
We'll be back.
First inspired me to build a sailboat is Thor Heyerdahl's book Kon-Tiki that I read when I was 4. I didn't read it because I couldn't read, I just looked at the pictures. And then Robinson Crusoe, I read that when I was 6 and I liked that. That was a very nautical themed book. And the next book I read was Homer's Odyssey, and that just a good adventure book. And then I read Treasure Island.
What's it come apart? It comes apart, you put it in your car?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, it is a small trailer. Small market trailer. Wow. I'll tell you, I've seen a lot of boats in my day, but I haven't seen it.
People say it's not going to work out. I just listen to what they have to say. If they have good reasons, then it's a learning experience.
Okay guys, coming in.
Be safe.
That's the hope.
Yeah, it is
That's
the
the dream.
Oh boy.
Not sinking.
Alright. It's not too late. You see any water leaks?
I'll set those boards right up here.
Up until recently,
Thank you, sir.
every boat was made out of wood. Now everything's mass-produced out of aluminum and plastic, so no one's seen a handmade boat. But up until early 1900s, every Australian boy built his own boat. So it's doable. I mean, I think just the knowledge has been lost.
This is kind of hard. I've never done this before.
The camaraderie and the mentorship of all these people with experience, or you know, in the kindest way possible, telling me that I'm doing it wrong. That's what you go to college for. You go for mentorship, like just to hone your skills. I mean, besides all the free tools, it's been a huge help. The bay doors, the bring in the equipment, and the wood, the shelter.